And there's you know, data cleaning type. You can clean data. If you have like descriptions that are quite the same, you can just, you know, correct it. For example, if, let's see, do we have, like here, there's cell phone and cell phone. These are, you know, the same items but different spelling. We want to use a cell phone like that. You choose the wrong spelling here, and you just, you know, replace it, making this add the wrong item. So these are the amount of cell phones that we have. So we just click that, and you have the cell phone in that spelling. That goes for the others too. And if the right spelling is not here, you can just type it here and then replace it with that. If you want to see how many fire extinguisher are there, there's 30. You just click on that and then open the filtered ledger. So here are all the fire extinguisher. If you want to put it in Excel, you just copy that. All copy and then move it to Excel. Same goes with the duplicates. Usually serial number, you can't, you know, you're not allowed to have duplicate serial number. For instance, like this, you can see it here. There's duplicates. We want to delete it, but you cannot delete it here. You have to delete it in that filtered ledger. So just remember the ID is 661 here. You close that. You want to delete it here. You're sure in deletion, you just put the ID here. It's 661, and you filter it. There you go. There's your asset. You delete the asset. This is just, you know, a warning. Are you sure you want to delete it? Yes. And for deletion, it's duplicates. So duplicate data. Password would be 1, 2, 3, and 4, and delete it. So if you show all, it won't be there any longer, like that. And this could be checked by this. See, you have lost the one that we deleted. This is a filter for 3 columns, in case you want to look like, I usually use a star with me. This is, which means, you know, any kind of keyword. I want the item description that has quantity of 3 maybe. No, we don't have that. If manufacturers can have that. So here we have air conditioner with Daikin as a manufacturer. We have 2 of that. Panasonic 2, something like that. If you want to open it again, you just click on that and click on that. Okay. Okay, this is the data collections, meaning the data that supports that, like staff list. You can add stuff here. So you can just choose from the assign form or transfer form, the one, you know, the staffs. And this is the office list, and this is the user track changes. So every time that's been made, the change that the data has changed, there's always we track it like that. We have, you know, deleted, we have we have changed the item description, then it shows up here. This is the track changes. This is the backup log. Something that we delete should come up here, like here. It's the duplicate data, the one that we deleted. This is the movement of the asset. To see it, you can just, you know, choose the serial number or choose the let's say the model, and use the access filter by form. Like I want to know the Nokia 6030 movements. There you go. You have movements from 0 to HM room and then back to asset store. Here are the movements being borrowed by whom, stuff like that. Okay. This is when you have a back end and front end. You want to refresh link to the simulated data in one folder, or you can get a shared asset data. You just click on that and choose your locations, or you can generate. This is the PSN number for the inventory code. You can generate that, and so on. And these, if you want to print the whole ledger for the physical count report, or in Excel you can just generate the whole ledger. I think that's about overall. If you have any questions, you can always email me or call me or Skype, and I'll explain to you in details. Thank you.